bad. Good job, guys. Really. I thought, oh, man, we're going to have to review and review and review and review, but you guys got it. That's good. All right, so the only thing that I want to review on that waltz is you could do the last twinkle and then just quarter turn, walk, walk, walk. But those that are turning, so we do twinkle, 2, 3, cross, quarter, half, starting with the right foot. Cross, then you're going to quarter turn this direction. So hand here, quarter, and then keep going, half. Cross, quarter, half. Okay? All right, so let's just do that last twinkle. Twinkle, 2, 3, cross, quarter, half. All right, with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's a full turn. Once you are heading this direction, you do a twinkle, and you're already starting to head in this direction. But instead of going this way, you're going to start that way, but you're going to go the other direction. Quarter, half. Cross, quarter, half. Okay. Or you could just twinkle, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll just leave it at that. In the correct dance. So, some of it I didn't recognize. Some of the dances I didn't recognize. Okay. So, yeah. It looks like, okay, here we go with Jailhouse Creole. Shuffle, rock, recover, right and left. Shuffle, rock, recover. Shuffle, rock, recover. 2 toe struts. Toe strut, rock, recover, cross shuffle, toe strut, rock, recover, cross shuffle, kind of front. Then rock, recover to the back, a heel grind. So stick your left foot up, turn it, and coaster step. So our new wall is this wall. One more time on the new wall. Shuffle, rock, recover. Shuffle, rock, recover. Toe struts. 2, rock, recover. Cross shuffle. Toe struts. 2, rock, recover. Cross shuffle. Rock, recover to the side wall. Heel up. Turn it to the back with the coaster step. One more wall. You're in the back. Shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, 2 struts, rock, recover, cross shuffle, 2 struts, rock, recover, cross shuffle, rock, recover to the front, shuffle, heel up, turn, coaster step. Unfortunately, that part really fast with the music. So it's rock, recover, shuffle, heel, grind, coaster, step. And this is where you really do need to know where you're going. Okay, that's half the battle right there. Okay. Don't you wish? Okay, that's the name of the song. I'm not telling you don't you wish. Okay. Shuffle, rock, recover, both sides. Shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, rock. 2 kickball change. Step touch, 2 triples, triple straight back, triple turn, triple forward, straight back triple, turning triple, forward triple, rocking chair, jazz box, quarter turn, bind, 2, 3, 4. Looks good. Okay, let's take it on this wall. Shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, rock, 2 kickball change, step, touch, triple back, triple turn, triple forward, rock, rocking chair, jazz box, quarter turn, vine, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. That looks good. Over the moon. Over the moon is side, front, side, flick. 2, 3, 4. Side, front, side, flick, vine. And go forward twice, back twice, and toe, toe, heel, heel, paddle, paddle. So it's a 4-wall dance, only we're going in this direction, counterclockwise. All right, just to make it confusing. Footloose. Hey, Footloose, most of you got that. That was great. Okay, so we start out with 2 vines right and left with a touch. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Vine with a touch. Vine left. Do a K-step. 2, 3, 4. Pigeon toe. Pigeon toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel and heel. Heel and toe. Front, side, flick, turn. Okay, new wall. Vine and vine. K-step. Pigeon toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel and toe, toe, flick, flick. All right, good. We should be in the back. All right, good job. So, let's take a real short break, and then we'll start the long program. So I know we haven't had any water yet.